Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I made these 3 DIY wood signs. I'm starting off here with a sign that I bought from Michael's. This sign was 18 inches, and what I'm doing is I'm just measuring, and I'm going to be taping to get ready for painting. I'm painting the middle of this one a acrylic black, and then for the bottom and the top I'm going to be doing my own DIY stain. If you have seen my videos before, you know that I like to make my own stains. It's just a mixture of some paint and water. The reason I do my stain like this, it's because it's quick, it's easy, and it's super fast to dry, and it doesn't smell as bad. So how I make this stain is I always add the paint first. I'll start off with some brown, and then I will add some water, mix it together. You can do kind of like a test corner to see if this is the color that you want, but I like a darker color, so I went ahead and added a little bit of black into this paint just to give it that darker wood color. But if you want lighter, just add more water. Now I'm just using my Cricut to cut out the name that I want to go on the sign. This is totally optional. You don't need a Cricut to do this. You can just paint some letters on, or you can use some stencils. There's quite a few options out there that you can use. I saw quite a few on Michael's that you can use if you don't own a Cricut.
But you play me like there's no tomorrow. You should know that I'm fed up with your lies, so don't come closer. You know you hurt me bad and I have scars. I need some time to heal, so don't come over. Don't even bother calling, just get lost. I'm fine on my own, so don't even bother to come back, 'cause I ain't done. I'm fine on my own.
So now I'm just going to make a pretty bow for the top of this sign. This bow maker I found at Michael's. It was about, I think, between $20 and $30, and it's so easy to use and just makes really pretty bows. So I'm going to go ahead and make one for the top of the sign. Now I'm just going to take this really pretty greenery that I found at, I believe it was at the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just going to add the bow in the middle. I did this off camera, but I also layered the sign with some Mod Podge just to protect it.
The things you do in your room when you're all alone. 3, 4, you want mom or whatever cure that was. 5, 6, finding bliss when you're drunk or you're doing drugs. When you're drunk, when you're drunk, when you're drunk, when you're drunk, when you're drunk or you're doing drugs. 7, 8, feeling brave, but you never really play this game. 9, 10, feels like.
And that completes this project. I absolutely love the way this one turned out. This one was actually a gift for a friend of mine who had just moved into her new home. Sophie, if you're watching, hello! I hope you love your sign. For this project, I'm doing a wood sign from Walmart. This one was about $9 there. Again, I'm just adding the stain on this one. This was an Easter sign for my aunt. Like I said, all the projects I make, I usually always gift to someone. I don't keep everything, or I'd have a house full of crafts and DIYs, but I like to gift everything that I make to friends and family.
Every day 'cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life. I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else could be like me and you. Let's just stay beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. 'Cause as long as you are here, Lord, I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top.
So I know that someone is going to point out in the comments below, but I actually forgot to put the P on spring. If you stay till the end, you'll see that I actually did end up fixing this, and it does say spring and not string. I don't know how I made this mistake, but I fixed it.
I'll be living long and wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me in that champagne burst and pop. Bring me down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time whenever now.
So I'm just using pretty much the same thing I did for the first sign. I'm using the greenery from the Dollar Tree, and then this ribbon I also found at the Dollar Tree, and I used my bow maker to make the bow as well. I did also layer this again with a layer of Mod Podge just to protect it. You can put this inside or outside, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you're using the Mod Podge that is you know, good enough to use for outside.
Deny it, drowning in your arms. Still
So for my last DIY here, I am using this sign I purchased from Michael's a while back. This was on a clearance section. I think I got it for like 15 bucks, and it was a trifold kind. It comes with two, and I use these to make like porch signs, but I thought it would make like a really pretty spring floral decor piece for the wall. So I don't have the footage of me painting it because I painted this a while back ago, but I just did the stain around the frame and then painted the middle white. And this crate that I'm using, as you probably know, it's from the Dollar Tree. And the floral that I'm using is also from the Dollar Tree. I just want to point out that Dollar Tree has absolutely great floral pieces. I think they've got some new ones because I found all those ones from my previous signs. I've never seen those there before. I could be wrong, but I personally have never seen them there. As soon as I saw it there, I snagged a few because I don't know how long they'll be in stock for, but I absolutely love those. They're really pretty. As you know, I love everything farmhouse greeneries, and that is my absolute favorite greenery. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of this video. Next I'm going to be showing you guys just a few wood signs that I have made in wreaths. I sell a lot of these things at flea markets. My sister and we do quite a few throughout the year, and these are just a few that we have done to sell. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of new content coming out. Don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments below which sign was your favorite. Thanks again guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!